the album because this is the first time for some of these numbers that I will have sung them in public, which is really nice for me, but also a bit of a challenge because I had to learn the words. I did the show the other night, and the song I'm about to sing for you, I walked up so confident to the microphone, ready to sing, and I couldn't remember the words, and I went, hello. Literally. When I was younger, I sang a lot around the house, and music is a great healer. Music brings a great joy into people's lives. It brought a lot of joy into our house. And when I was younger, I didn't know yet, but I was destined to become a friend of Dorothy. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. But I wasn't always going to be a friend of Dorothy because at one point I was also a friend of Barbara Streisand. Kind of the same thing, right? And Barbara Streisand has sung some fantastic numbers in her career, and she does some really big, what we call in the musical theater industry, 11 o'clock numbers. Although this is not my final number, but I'm going to do this one for you now. It's a great, big number. I love it, and I hope